So this is graphing compound linear inequalities example 3. And our problem gives us x is less than 3 and y is greater than 4. So and we know is intersection, so we want where the two shaded regions overlap. So the first thing we need to do is graph these two equations. So x is less than 3, we're going to graph the equivalent equation x equals 3. And we know that's a vertical line passing through x is 3. We also know we're going to use a dashed line because we have a strict inequality. It says x is less than. So let's go ahead and put our vertical line at x equals 3, and we'll make it a dashed line. Now, in order to figure out whether to shade to the right or the left, I come back and look at my inequality, and it says x is less. So I want all those values of x that are less than 3. Well, if I think about it, 2 is less than 3, 1 is less than 3, so I have to shade to the left. So I go ahead and shade to the left of the line. Alright. Now I go ahead and graph my next line. And my next inequality is y is greater than just strictly greater than 4. And I want to graph the equivalent equation, which is y equals 4. And that is going to be a vertical line passing through y is 4. Horizontal line passing through y is 4. So let's go ahead and draw our horizontal line passing through y is 4. I'm using a dashed line once again because it says y is strictly greater. If it were greater than or equal to, I would use a solid line, but it's not. So strict inequalities get dashed lines. Alright. Now it says y is greater, which means I need to shade above the line. Now, remember this was and, so we only want where both regions are shaded. So we wanted everything to the right of x is 3 and everything above y is 4. Well, if we look at to the right of x is 3 and above y is 4, what we get is this portion of the graph right here. And we're done.